Hey guys, welcome to Notch Creek Boys Outdoors. Tonight we're going to do a little training. Hopefully Nugget, we can get him up here. He's been coming along good. He's treated a couple here and not. He's not a great dog, but we're just doing little tricks. We're going to send him on a little short little run here. I've got him up. He's ready to go. I'm going to send him up a ridge right up here behind the boat, right up through there, and we're going to see what we can come up with. I'm going to walk him right over here and cut him loose. Cut him loose. Ready to go, son? Come on. I'll tell you the main thing with training a coon dog, cur, hound, whatever, feist, whatever you're hunting, is be consistent. Hunt them, put them in the woods. Now, if you see right here, I'm even kind of carrying down. I've got an invisible fence and with electric on it, and he won't go through it unless I lead him through it. So I'm gonna cut him loose right up through here. Ready? Get in there. I don't know if you can see. So he's working something right here heavy. I don't know what it is, but it's right here. Right in there. He keeps circling it. And moved up here because he's getting over here on the neighbor. I won't be able to holler at him in case he gets too far. Let's see what it is right here. But my neighbor, he lets me hunt squirrel hunt him here during off season, not in deer season and stuff. So let's see what he can come up with here. See, if you see, he's checking it. Now he's gonna start moving. Just went over and over and over again. Just give him time. See how he's working this track backwards and forwards? He ain't confident. A lot of dogs will done go ahead and pull treed. He just doesn't have the tree power that a lot of dogs has. But he's worked that corner right there at the road quite a bit. He'll come up here where we're at, and he'll go through it. And I can hear him coming. And he'll check it and he'll go back. Good job, bud. Good job, son. Talk to me, son. Good job. Coon's right there. See his tail right there. Good job, Nugget. Good job. Good job, bud. Talk to me, son. Good job, bud. Where's he at, son? Good job, bud. Get that boy. Good job. Let's pet him up good, son. That boy.